So what is happening as a result of this flawed vision? What is happening is that the instruments of the conversation between our states, the instruments of the conversation between our peoples, what we call the institutions of our country, are being attacked and captured by one idea. So, for example, today, the idea of Tamil Nadu is excluded from Indian institutions. They can keep coming to you again and again and again and again and saying need, and you will say no, get out of here. Right? They do not have a voice in your framework. The farmers of Punjab can stand up and say we do not agree with these 3 laws. They do not have a voice in your framework. Only the king has the voice. The farmers can sit for 1 year. They can sit for 1 year outside in Corona. They can die, doesn't matter. The king does not agree. You do not listen to anybody. And even all of you, my dear brothers and sisters in the BJP, I saw my Dalit colleague speak today, Paswanji. I saw him. Yes. He knows the history of the Dalits. He knows who has oppressed the Dalits for 3,000 years. And he is speaking with a hesitancy. He is speaking without. I am proud of him. I am proud of this gentleman. He has spoken to me what is in his heart. I am proud of this man. But he is in the wrong party. Don't worry, घबराइए मत.
नहीं, बीच में नहीं. तो बीच में थोड़ी बोलेंगे, बाद में.
No. Look, Speaker sir, I am a democratic person. I will allow him to speak.
ये सुनो, 1 मिनट. ये आप किसी को इजाजत नहीं दे सकते, ये अधिकार मेरा है. प्लीज बैठ जाइए. आप वो इजाजत दे सकते हैं क्या आसन को? वो इजाजत देने का अधिकार नहीं है. ये अधिकार आसन का है. किसको इजाजत देनी है, किसको नहीं इजाजत देनी, माननीय राहुल जी प्लीज बैठ जाइए. मैं दूंगा आपको मौका. दूंगा.
So, Speaker sir.
आप बोलिए.
So, Speaker sir.
माननीय सदस्य प्लीज बैठिए. मैं आपको मौका दूंगा. बोलते रहे आप. क्या करें?
Speaker sir. So this confused ideology, this confused understanding of the nation of India is playing havoc with this country. And I'll give you examples. The judiciary, the election commission, Pegasus. These are all instruments of destroying the voice of the Union of States. When you apply Pegasus on an Indian politician, when the Prime Minister personally goes to Israel and authorizes the use of Pegasus in India, he is attacking the people of Tamil Nadu. He is attacking the people of Assam. He is attacking the people of Kerala. He is attacking the people of Bengal.
Point of order.
52(1). 352(1). स्पीकर सर, 352(1) कहता है कि a member while speaking shall not refer to any matter of fact on which a judicial decision is pending. सुप्रीम कोर्ट में ये पेंडिंग है सर, और यदि इनको सुप्रीम कोर्ट पर विश्वास है, कोर्ट पर विश्वास है, तो ये अपना फोन जो है जमा करें, पहले ये शामिल हो सर, ये पहले उसके इंक्वायरी में शामिल हो, क्योंकि इनका नाम भी पेगासस में है, सो कॉल्ड ये जो कह रहे हैं, इसीलिए ये पेगासस का नाम नहीं ले सकते सर, ये कोऑपरेट नहीं कर।
Now, so what is happening is that a particular organization has captured the institutional framework of the country and is attacking the voice of the different states of this country. And my fear is that you will get a reaction from that voice. My fear is that this attack that you're carrying out on the institutional framework of this country is going to get a response from the Union of States. And you're fiddling. I understand this. You might not appreciate it. But my great-grandfather spent 15 years in jail building this thing. My grandmother was shot 32 times and my father was blown into bits. So I understand a little bit about what this country is. My blood has been sacrificed not by me, by my great-grandfather, by my grandmother, by my father for this country. So I understand what it is. And you are fiddling with something very, very dangerous. And I am advising you, stop. Because if you do not stop, you will create a problem. You have already started creating the problem. The problem has already started in the northeast. The problem has already started in Tamil Nadu. You're not visible. It's not visible to you right now. Jammu Kashmir, which I will speak about, which is my third point. Now, what you're fiddling with is extremely dangerous, and it demonstrates a complete lack of understanding of history. Please, this evening, go back and look at all the empires that have ever ruled India. Look at them carefully. You will find that every single one of them is a union of states. There's not a single empire. There was a reason Ashok used to go and put his pillars everywhere. Because it was a union of states where Ashok, the great king, respected everybody. You are disrespecting everybody. Disrespect me, I don't care. It doesn't matter to me. But you cannot disrespect the people of this country. Right? Now final.